Hello everyone and welcome back to Management in Minutes. Today I have a question for you. Do you think leaders today need to be tech savvy? The truth is, technology is rewriting the rules of leadership. From how leaders communicate with their teams to how they make important decisions, technology has completely transformed leadership. It is no longer just about managing people. It's about using tools, data, and digital platforms to guide, inspire, and influence teams effectively. Technology is shaping leadership in many ways. It affects communication, the way leaders manage remote and hybrid teams, how decisions are made, the level of transparency and accountability, the skills leaders need, and the ethical challenges they face. In this video, we will explore each of these aspects in detail to understand how technology has transformed modern leadership. And by the end of this video, you will clearly understand how technology is redefining leadership in the modern world. One of the biggest impacts of technology is on communication. Leaders can now connect instantly with teams across the world using emails, video calls, and collaboration tools like Slack or Microsoft Teams. This allows decisions to be made faster and coordination to happen in real time. However, the sheer volume of information can sometimes lead to confusion and information overload, which leaders must manage carefully. Technology has enabled the rise of remote and hybrid work. Leaders no longer manage only those physically present in the office. They guide employees across different time zones, cultures, and even continents. Leading virtually requires new skills. Leaders must build trust online, communication clearly, show empathy, and maintain a strong digital presence to keep teams motivated and connected. Modern leadership is increasingly data-driven. Leaders now have access to analytic dashboards, performance metrics, and AI tools that help them make informed and evidence-based decisions. While these tools provide valuable insights, leaders still need to combine data with human judgment and intuition, understanding that technology is a support, not a replacement for good leadership. Social media and digital platforms have made leaders more visible than ever before. Every statement, action, or even mistake can be seen instantly by millions of people. The real-world example is Elon Musk. One tweet from him can influence markets and public opinion globally. Even leaders like Mark Zuckerberg face constant public attention and judgment due to digital visibility. Technology increases both the reach and responsibility of leaders, demanding accountability and careful decision making because mistakes can have amplified consequences. A modern leader must be adaptable and continuously learn new digital skills. Satya Nadella, the CEO of Microsoft, is a perfect example. He embraced digital transformation, encouraged learning, and built a company culture where technology empowers employees rather than overwhelms them. Leaders who are flexible, willing to adopt new tools, and foster innovation are more likely to succeed in the digital age. With technological advancement comes greater responsibility. Leaders must protect their organizations from cybersecurity threats, ensure data privacy for employees and customers. They also need to make ethical decisions about technology use, such as applying AI in hiring processes fairly and without bias. Modern leadership is about balancing innovation, efficiency, and responsibility to maintain trust and integrity. In conclusion, technology will never replace leadership, but it has transformed what it means to be a leader. Leaders who embrace technology, adapt to change, and combine digital tools with strong people skills will succeed in the future. The era of leadership belongs to those who are both tech-savvy and people-focused. Which leadership skill do you think is most important in the digital age? Tell me in the comments. That's all for today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Management in Minutes. We'll continue exploring more such topics in upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.